Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: QuickBooks versus Excel. Many small business owners and individuals often find themselves torn between these two popular tools for managing their finances. So, let's dive right in and compare the features and benefits of each. QuickBooks is an accounting software developed specifically for small businesses. It offers a range of features tailored to financial management, including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll processing, and financial reporting. With its user-friendly interface, QuickBooks simplifies complex accounting tasks and provides a comprehensive overview of your business's financial health. On the other hand, we have Excel, the trusted spreadsheet software that many of us are familiar with. Excel allows you to create customized financial spreadsheets and perform calculations, making it a versatile tool for managing finances. It's great for basic bookkeeping tasks, budgeting, and creating simple financial models. One of the key advantages of QuickBooks is its automation and integration capabilities. It can connect to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions, automatically importing and categorizing transactions. This saves you time and minimizes the risk of manual data entry errors. QuickBooks also offers robust reporting features, allowing you to generate various financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance, helping you make informed decisions. Excel, on the other hand, provides greater flexibility when it comes to customization. You can design your own spreadsheet templates and tailor them to your specific needs. If you have unique reporting requirements or prefer a more hands-on approach to financial management, Excel gives you the freedom to create personalized solutions. Another aspect to consider is the learning curve. QuickBooks may require a bit of time to familiarize yourself with its interface and features, especially if you're new to accounting software. Excel, on the other hand, is more widely known and many individuals already have some level of familiarity with it. So, which one should you choose? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a small business owner looking for a comprehensive accounting solution with automation and robust reporting, QuickBooks is likely the better option. However, if you prefer more control and customization, or if your financial management needs are relatively simple, Excel can be a suitable choice. Remember, both QuickBooks and Excel have their strengths and can complement each other as well. You can even use Excel to export data from QuickBooks for further analysis or to create custom reports. The key is to assess your requirements and choose the tool that aligns best with your financial management goals. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.